At a bustling production house in Andheri West, a screenwriter finishes her script with the help of an AI assistant that suggests sharper dialogues and stronger plot twists. Across town, in Hyderabad's film city, a post production team uses AI to de age a veteran actor for a flashback sequence without needing prosthetics or green screens. From Bollywood to Tollywood, Indian cinema is witnessing a technological revolution, and at the heart of it lies artificial intelligence. Once the exclusive domain of VFX studios and international blockbusters, AI has now permeated every layer of the Indian film industry. As audiences demand more sophisticated content and creators explore tighter budgets and faster turnarounds, AI is emerging as both a creative collaborator and a practical problem solver. Traditionally, Indian cinema has relied heavily on manual storytelling processes, often steeped in legacy formats and tried and tested tropes. But AI is starting to challenge that status quo. Startups like Kavya.ai, based in Bengaluru, are offering screenplay enhancement tools tailored specifically to Indian narrative styles. From analyzing emotional beats in a family drama to suggesting culturally relevant metaphors in Hindi, Tamil, or Telugu, these tools are helping writers bridge tradition with innovation. Mumbai based writer Anushka Nair, who recently co wrote a short film that went viral on YouTube, says her AI assistant felt more like a creative partner than a machine. It flagged scenes that felt emotionally flat and even suggested better analogies rooted in Indian contexts, she explains. In fact, OTT platforms like Netflix India and Amazon Prime Video are already experimenting with AI assisted content development to cater to regional tastes more accurately, analyzing data from audience preferences across states and languages. Beyond writing, AI is also becoming a powerful force on film sets. In 2024, S.S. Rajamouli's team used machine learning to simulate historical landscapes for a high budget period film, cutting down both costs and time. Similarly, Bollywood director Zoya Akhtar used AI driven camera stabilization and lighting suggestions while shooting portions of her anthology film, Stories Untold. Editing is another area where AI is making waves. Indian companies like Edit Edge and Cutex are offering post production services that use AI to auto sync dialogues, remove visual noise, and even localize films in multiple languages without lip sync errors. Earlier, subtitling and dubbing for 5 languages used to take weeks, says Rahul Dev, a senior editor in Chennai. Now, with AI voice cloning and deepfake dubbing, we can release a pan India film with perfect lip sync in days. The most headline grabbing innovation came last year when a Marathi language short film introduced an AI generated actor to play a 25-year-old version of a 70-year-old superstar without ever needing the actor to step on set. It triggered both awe and anxiety. AI generated actors, or synthetic performers, are now being considered for minor roles, background crowd scenes, and even advertisements. This has raised concerns among actors' unions and kine workers' guilds, especially regarding consent, royalties, and potential job losses. The Kine and TV Artists Association, KINTA, has called for a formal policy regulating the use of AI in performances. We aren't against innovation, but it must not come at the cost of human creativity and employment, says Cinta spokesperson Asha Verma. Interestingly, AI is also empowering small creators who otherwise couldn't afford expensive crew or software. Aspiring filmmakers in smaller towns like Indore, Kochi, and Bhubaneswar are using AI tools to write, edit, and even animate their stories for platforms like Instagram Reels, YouTube, and short film festivals. In 2025, a student film from Guwahati created entirely using AI, right from script to final edit, won a jury award at the Indian Short Film Festival in Goa. AI has leveled the playing field, says Aritra Das, the 22-year-old filmmaker behind that project. I didn't need expensive cameras or actors, just imagination and the right tools. As Indian cinema enters its centennial decade, the intersection of AI and storytelling offers both challenges and possibilities. While there are fears of cultural homogenization and job losses, there is also optimism about new forms of collaboration and expression. Veteran filmmaker Shyam Benegal recently remarked at a panel discussion: cinema is about change, from celluloid to digital, and now to AI. It's how we use the tool that defines its impact. Indeed, in a country as diverse as India, where stories are born from every alley, language, and emotion, AI may just be the assistant directors didn't know they needed.